Filmmaking is a journey, but you have to start from somewhere. And when you start, don't give up.
What's good, people? So I haven't been posting on YouTube for some time. I just decided to take a break. I've been active on my TikTok and my Instagram account. I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone and thank you to everyone who subscribe to my YouTube channel and those who continue to comment on my videos. My name is Gideon and I'm a filmmaker based in the Midlands in the United Kingdom. So one of the things that I've learned since I've been observing is that stay in your lane. Each filmmaker has a unique voice. Christopher Nolan has his own unique voice. Steven Spielberg has his own unique voice. And all filmmakers have their own unique voice and their unique style. So stay in your lane, just be unique. And the second thing that I've learned is that don't give up, no matter what. Sometimes when you look at this filmmaking journey is that it's a process. Sometimes your videos are not going to look good. There's some videos I've posted on this YouTube channel, they were terrible. But I didn't give up. And the thing is that I didn't delete them because I just want to bring people through my journey to show them where I started and where I am going. So don't give up. Even if you're starting or maybe you've been doing YouTube videos for time, just don't give up. And one of the other things that I've learned is that stop chasing the algorithm. Like what I said in point one, there is a lot of competition out there. There's a lot of new styles of editing and all that stuff. Stop chasing the algorithm. I know people tell you need to do this video so that you gain views. Stay in your lane, don't give up. Stop chasing the algorithm. People will always find your videos. On this channel, I just want to go to the basics of filmmaking. You won't see me doing crazy things that people are doing these days, following trends. I just want to go to the basics because when you watch films or TV series, you see that the most important thing is good cinematography, good sound, and good storyline. That's what draws me in to watching these TV shows or these films. And that's what I want to do on this channel. So if you see me not post any videos for some time, I'm in the process of learning because I just want to make good content out there that's unique and that's not imitating anyone. Since filmmaking is a journey, if you have any tips that have been helping you to continue in this filmmaking journey, please share them in the comment section so that we may encourage each other. Anyway, I just want to say like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.